there, Changemakers. I'm Deandra Wardell, owner and Chief Visioning Officer at On to the Next One Consulting, where we coach and guide leaders and teams to gain clarity on their strategic priorities so they can execute them one small step at a time. Today, we're diving into a topic crucial for your organization's longevity and impact. Today, we're talking about sustainability. As the demand for social services continues to rise, it is essential to shift our focus from mere survival to a thriving future. And I'm thrilled to share 5 actionable steps to empower your nonprofit to endure and excel in facing challenges. First up, let's talk about investing in infrastructure. Yes, let's talk about it. Your organization's backbone lies in robust systems and technology. By allocating funds here, you're not just investing in tools, but in efficiency, scalability, and the opportunity to make a more significant impact. Think of it as the foundation that enables your mission to reach new heights. The diversification of funding sources is next on our list. Relying solely on traditional grants can be risky. Explore new avenues like partnerships, crowdfunding, or even venturing into social enterprises. Doing so will secure your financial stability and open doors to innovative collaborations that can take your mission to places you've never even imagined. Now, let's shift our focus to the heart of any nonprofit, the people. Investing in your staff's skills and professional development, it's not just an expense or a line item in the budget. It's an investment in adaptability. As the landscape of social services evolves, your team needs to evolve with it. So building capacity ensures that your organization is always at the forefront of addressing societal needs. Financial reserves are like a safety net for your organization. In times of uncertainty or when an innovative opportunity arises, having reserves allows you to act swiftly without compromising your core mission. So the fourth action is about financial reserves. And it's not about hoarding funds. That is not what I'm saying. It's about being strategically prepared for whatever the future may hold. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about impact measurement. Data analytics is not just for corporations. It's also a powerful tool for nonprofits. Effectively measuring your outcomes showcases your impact on stakeholders and attracts sustainable funding. It's a cycle. Better measurement leads to better funding and greater impact. So as we wrap up, remember, sustainability is not an overnight transformation. It's a journey. And these 5 actions that we've talked about today are your roadmap to a resilient and impactful future. I encourage you to implement these steps, adapt them to your unique environment, and share your successes with others in the nonprofit community. Let's empower each other to create lasting change. Until next time, stay inspired, keep making a difference, and keep moving on to the next one.